be very sticky, gooey. So you better be careful.
Okay, we're going to do half a cup of glue.
Half of glue. That's a lot of glue.
Yes.
And now I'm going to pour it.
Okay, pour it in the bowl.
Half a cup of glue. Is that all the yucky sticky glue?
It's still dripping.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to do food coloring.
After all this comes out.
Yep, okay.
Okay.
How many drops do you want? 5, okay.
1,
1,
2,
3,
4,
4, 5.
5.
Okay, stir it up with your spoon.
This glue slime is going to be a best. Oh, it's turning red. It's going to be a best slime ever. Ooh, maybe we can call it apple slime.
Ooh, that's a good idea.
This is good apple slime we're making. And maybe we should put some apple stuff in there. This will really know it's apple thing. We love apple slime.
Alright, now we need to put a bunch of shaving cream in.
Oh. Get it in there. Get it.
Will you help me with the spoon?
Oh, yes, and
Use
I
your spoon.
Oh, right? Okay. I'll slime you. We're making our own slime videos. Out, out, out. Now out. Okay, all of it's out. Okay, why do I have to do even more and more?
We need a lot of shaving cream.
No, not even more. My hand, it's engaged.
It's okay.
Well, it's okay for slime.
Alright, now stir that up.
Since we are making slime. How much do we put in here? Too much shaving cream. I can't even see what I'm doing.
Let me help you.
Too much shaving cream. It was red, like
It's
just
turning pink, huh?
red and white turn pink.
That's right.
I forgot all about this.
It's almost getting slimy as it is. Oop.
Oh, one drop on me.
Okay, now we need a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda.
Can we touch it? Ooh, and then I'll mix it all up.
And yeah, start mixing that. Start mixing it up. Then we need 1 tablespoon
of activator. One whole spoon of activator.
Now we're going to pour that in. All right, now let's forget the spoon. And you can start mixing with your hands, okay?
Oh, the thing!
Now just go ahead and dig in there.
Yeah. Ooh, it's sticky and gooey.
A little bit of lotion in.
That's much more better.
Here, sit back down a minute.
Activator is the best. Yeah, gosh.
Get the stuff at the bottom.
Gosh. Yuck. So it's not even sticking on my hand yet. Yuck. Oh my goodness. Pink slime is the best slime ever. Ah, my hand's engaged. Oh, my hand's engaged 2 times. I mean, 3 times. Okay, this is awesome slime, I guess. Mom, It's not sticky enough. It's not sticking off to my finger yet.
Okay, and that's how you make fluffy slime. Okay, here is the completed fluffy slime.
Yuck. Yeah.
Was this recipe fun to make, Amina?
Yeah, like super fun.
All right, say bye.
Bye.